Okay, I hope you have tried the questions. I'm at worksheet 10E. Try it 1. Okay, and just now I went through example 1 and asked you to try it 1. I hope you have tried it. Okay, so now we'll go through try it 1. Okay, so remember the first step is to identify which quadrant the angle is at. So you can tell the sign of the angle. Okay, I think alright, so 300 and 100, 300, 135 falls in the second quadrant. Okay, so the sign at the second quadrant, the sign of tangent 135, because ASTC, right? In the second quadrant, tangent is negative. So the sign of this one will be negative. Alright, the sign, S-I-G-N. S-I-G-N, okay, the sign. Alright, so now to find the value, we will have to look at the corresponding basic angle. Okay, the basic angle is 180 minus 135, which is 45 degrees. So tangent 135 is equal to the negative of the tangent of the basic angle 45. And tangent 45 is a special angle, which is 1. So the answer is negative 1. Okay. Alright, second example, 210. 210 falls in the third quadrant. So the angle is here. So the corresponding basic angle is actually this angle here. So that can be found by taking 210 minus 180, okay, which is 30 degrees. Alright, so again, find out the sign. What sign is it, positive or negative? In the third quadrant, tangent is positive. So tangent 210 is equal to the positive of the tangent of the corresponding basic angle, in this case 30. Okay, and tangent 30 is actually square root 3 over 3, right? If you look at your list of if you look at your list of special angles, right? Okay, so now we move on to part D. Cosine of 7 pi over 4. Okay, so same thing, just that now the angle is in radian mode, so you have to figure out a little bit, because I know you are still trying to convert. Okay, so either you convert or you get used to it, right? Because radian will be here 0 pi over 2 pi 3 pi over 2. Okay, so if you don't want to convert, then you have to get used to the radian mode. 7 over 4 is actually 1.75. Okay, so 1.75 is greater than 1.5, which means that this angle actually lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, if you are not comfortable with this, you can go ahead and convert to degrees. 7 pi over 4, okay, it's equals to 7 pi over 4 times 180 degrees, right? Which is 315. Then you will be able to say, oh, 315 is greater than 270, so therefore it's in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so in the fourth quadrant, ASTC, in the fourth quadrant, cosine is positive. Therefore, the sign of this one is positive. Don't need to write the negative sign in front, it's positive. And the corresponding basic angle here can be found by taking 2 pi minus 7 pi over 4. Okay, which is pi over 4. And so here will be pi over 4. And cosine pi over 4 is a special angle that is root 2 over 2. Okay. Alright, and the last question, same procedure, find out which quadrant 2 pi over 3 is. Because it's lesser than 1, but bigger than half, is in the second quadrant. So this is 2 pi over 3. So the corresponding basic angle is can be found by taking pi minus 2 pi over 3, which is pi over 3. Okay, and because ASTC in the second quadrant, sine is positive, so sine of 2 pi over 3 is equals to sine of pi over 3, right? And this is actually a special angle, which is root 3 over 2. Now, this property shouldn't be new to all of you, okay? We learnt it in the previous chapter, right? That, not previous chapter, previous sub-chapter or previous worksheet, that sine of the angle is equals to sine of 180 minus angle, right? So the angles that are like complementary of each other actually have the same value. Alright, so ASTC is an extension of what you all learn about that. Okay. Alright, so that's it for this try example. In the next video I will explain work example 2.